Alright folks, today we're delving into a topic that could truly transform the way you approach speaking in public improvisation for public speakers, or as I like to call it, the art of winging it. You see, many people perceive improv as merely a fun game played on a stage, but let me tell you, it's much more than that. It's about being adaptable and responsive in unexpected situations.
Oh wow, that sounds goofy, kind of stressful, right? I mean, speaking in public is already nerve-wracking, and then if something goes wrong, how do you even start to handle that? What do you, do when you're in front of people and everything goes sideways?
Exactly, great question. The key here is to embrace that moment instead of letting it throw you off balance. One technique I like to employ is to transform the mishap into a joke or an interesting story. For example, there was a time when my microphone cut out right in the middle of a punchline. Instead of panicking, I looked at the audience and quipped, "Well, that's my mic's way of telling me I'd better step up my game." It lightened the mood immediately, and they appreciated my quick recovery. It's all about using those unexpected moments to engage with your audience.
Haha, that's actually clever. So you're saying it's kind of like Warrington Doku, flipping the script, right? But what happens if you do make a complete fool of yourself? I mean, how do you bounce back from that?
The fear of humiliation. It's universal, isn't it? But here's the deal, everyone has this fear, and it's crucial to remember that your audience is rooting for you. They genuinely want you to succeed. If you slip up, acknowledge it, maybe even exaggerate it to lighten the mood. Something like, "Whoops, there goes my dignity."
Haha, oh man, I can just imagine the crickets in the background. So do you think this improvisation stuff really improves your overall speaking skills, or is it just like a band-aid solution?
Absolutely, it's not just a band-aid, it's more like a strengthening exercise for your speaking muscles. Practicing improvisation sharpens your ability to think on your feet. I urge you to partake in exercises like yes and games, where whatever your partner says, you build on it. This not only boosts your creativity, but also teaches you to listen intently, which is invaluable when engaging with an audience.
Oh wow, so that's kind of like a mental workout. I can see how those skills would translate into real-time speaking. But what if you're not naturally quick-witted? Can someone still learn these skills?
Absolutely. Improvisation is a skill you can definitely develop over time. Think of it like learning how to swim. You might flail at first, but with practice you start to glide through the water. I once worked with a speaker who was painfully shy. Through consistent improvisation exercises, they blossomed into a confident storyteller.
Oh my goodness, that's so inspiring. So it's like unlocking a part of yourself you didn't even know existed, huh?
Exactly. You can build a personal improvisation toolkit. This toolkit could contain techniques, phrases, and anecdotes that resonate with you. By being genuine and sharing your own experiences, you can transform an awkward silence into an engaging conversation.
I want a toolkit too, but is there a way to build it without, scaring yourself? What if I, bomb every practice session?
Well, it's all about reframing that fear of failure. Every bomb is, in fact, a learning opportunity. Think of it like tripping while dancing. You learn the rhythm over time. You can practice in low-stakes environments, perhaps in front of friends, or even in front of the mirror. The goal is to normalize that uncomfortable feeling.
Right, so you're saying I should embrace the cringiness, That's so wild. What if, my friends start judging me instead? That would just be a disaster.
But that's where confident vulnerability comes into play. First off, your real friends won't judge, they'll support you, and that judgment, if it surfaces, is just a reminder of growth. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you push those boundaries a bit further. Just like starting a band, it's chaotic at first, but with each rehearsal, you discover your unique sound.
Haha, I love that. So we're essentially letting our band evolve in front of a crowd. That's such a cool analogy.
Precisely. And in the end, improvisation not only aids you in public speaking, it can spill into every facet of your life. Learning to adapt, to embrace uncertainty, can lead to fantastic experiences.
Whoa, that's so empowering. I can't wait to start crafting my own toolkit. Great. And who knows, maybe even launch my own band. Thank you.